Introducing the new creative Jellyfish Air Flame Volcano Humidifier, a unique and captivating addition to your home or office. This handmade humidifier diffuser combines LED lights and fog to create a mesmerizing display of a fiery flame burning and a volcanic blast effect. Watch as puffs or a ring of mist rise, creating an amazing atmosphere that will instantly elevate any space. Create a soothing ambience. The combination of two colors of LED lights and the mist from the Volcano diffuser creates a tranquil and soothing ambience. Perfect for relieving fatigue and promoting relaxation. This multifunctional humidifier offers various modes and functions for your convenience and enjoyment. Use it for humidification, aromatherapy, timing, sleep aid, atomizer, or even as an automatic aerosol distributor.